Coronavirus has been changing and evolving ever since it was first discovered in the year 2019 and became a global concern in a matter of a few months. The original COVID strain soon turned into the deadly Delta, taking a huge toll across the globe. Talk of mutations sounds scary and it can lead to serious problems, but it would be a mistake to think that it is always the case. BA.2.86, nicknamed Pirola, is one such new variant that has aroused concern from some doctors and scientists. This resurgence has prompted discussions on the necessity of readopting mask-wearing practices. The Pirola variant appears to have undergone as many changes as the Omicron variant did from the Delta variant of the coronavirus. Along with Pirola, Aedes too have been infecting people and are increasing the number of COVID-19 patients around the world. Both originate from the XBB lineage, which descended from Omicron. These two variants are currently under the vigilant observation of the WHO. So, how dangerous is the Pirola variant? The severity of the new COVID-19 Pirola variant remains uncertain due to a limited number of samples available for analysis. Currently, only 9 samples of the BA.2.86 variant have been received, although this does not necessarily reflect the total number of cases. The CDC assessment suggests that BA.2.86 variant might have greater propensity to infect individuals who have previously been infected with COVID-19 or have received COVID-19 vaccines. This indicates a higher potential for breakthrough infections compared to previous strains of the virus. Reported cases of the Pirola or BA.2.86 variant have emerged from multiple countries including Denmark, South Africa, the US, UK and Israel. The BA.2.86 variant was first identified on July 24, 2023 and has been designated a variant of interest by the WHO due to its numerous mutations which significantly exceed those observed in previous variants. Why is Pirola a variant of interest? The substantial mutations in the spike protein of BA.2.86 raise concerns about the potential immune evasion, indicating that the existing vaccines and prior COVID-19 infection may offer less protection against this variant compared to earlier strains of the virus. BA.2.86 has more than 35 amino acid changes to spike protein compared to the recently spreading XBB.1.5 on which the COVID-19 booster is based on. As per CDC, the spoke protein mutations of BA.2.86 makes it likely to cause breakthrough infections. Does this mean that masks are back? Experts underscore the crucial role of masking in curbing transmission, especially in circumstances where close contact and indoor settings increase the risk of virus spread. With the imminent possibility of a new variant and the onset of the respiratory virus season, health authorities are stressing the need for a cautious approach. Authorities are reminding the public that COVID-19 remains a formidable threat, necessitating continued adherence to preventive measures. Given evolving variants, even the vaccinated should consider masking if not recently boosted or infected. Individual schedules and events play a role. Large gatherings or high-risk interactions warrant protective measures. Those with elevated risk factors like health conditions are encouraged to prioritize caution and adopt mask wearing as an added safeguard against severe outcomes. Symptoms associated with BA.2.86 variant include rashes, conjunctivitis, and diarrhea. Aedes infections present with common symptoms such as fever, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, muscle aches, headache, loss of taste and smell, and sore throat. While India remains cautious, it is noteworthy that the evolving nature of the virus has prompted vaccine manufacturers to adapt their products. The efficacy of previously administered vaccines might be slightly reduced due to the evolving strains, though these vaccines remain effective.